Every workplace has potential hazards. Identifying and reporting them is key to keeping yourself and your colleagues safe. Workplace hazards come in different forms. These include physical hazards, like slippery floors or exposed wires. Chemical hazards, such as toxic fumes or spills. Ergonomic hazards, like improper workstation setup. Biological hazards, such as mold or bacteria. And psychological hazards, like excessive stress or harassment. Stay alert, look for anything unusual, broken equipment, spills, poor lighting, or unsafe behavior. If something feels off, it probably is. Once you spot a hazard, report it immediately. Follow these steps. Inform your supervisor or safety officer. Document the hazard, take a photo or write a report. Suggest a solution if possible. Follow up to ensure action is taken. A safe workplace is everyone's responsibility. Stay alert, report hazards, and protect yourself and your team. See something, say something, stay safe.